Hello everyone. Uh, Thank you so much for joining today's live session on YouTube and TikTok as well. Yes, we are going live every day, performing live trades. Try to grab small amount of profits every day. Sometimes we grab it, and sometimes we just get stuck, maybe for long period of time. Yeah, it's a part of it, and that's what I. Okay. I hope you guys can see me now very clearly. Okay, so what's going on here is today, let's talk about, before we start our live session, performing live trades, let me clear you one thing. Let me tell you one thing, guys. This video is just for information and entertainment purposes. Don't follow my trades, as well as don't uh, do your own research, please. Instead of follow my trades, before you enter the trade, of course, I would definitely suggest you guys. Moreover, um, okay, so yeah, thank you so much for being online. Thank you so much for your love and your support for me. Uh, okay, so yeah, so we have just started our session, and let's keep it continue just like we do every day. Okay, so before we actually, I have just entered one trade like few minutes back before going live, so it's just in progress, and I will show you in a while. Moreover, yes, we are, and we opened like three. I did like open three trades yesterday, and all of them went very well. And I have shared that in my group as well. If you guys are just following my WhatsApp channel, you can just check that in that channel as well. Moreover, yes, we will perform live trades again today, hopefully. If we What we need to do is we need to just be very careful because the market is very volatile and Bitcoin is just falling down to, you know, uh, it just crossed the minimum benchmark, which was like $90,000 yesterday, and try to grab the liquidity. And okay, that's a part of it. And that was actually expected to be. Uh, but let's talk about the market updates. So market is now 3.18 trillion. It's, of course, it's increasing. People are having more trust in the market and trying to trade because the holiday season is just coming off. And yeah, fear index is increased to 43. It was 49 yesterday, but it happened just because BTC has just declined side today. And what was the lowest size, lower price today? Let me tell you guys. So today's lowest mark, let me tell you. Yes. So today's lowest was just few hours back. That was 89,500, which was actually expected, and tried to grab the liquidity at that price like 2 3 hours, 4 hours back almost. And that was a bearish trap. Maybe it could be. But there are nothing big going on in the market, and it's a good sign. Maybe that's the way. Actually, there are a few big news in the market. Like China has just stopped the companies to invest in Nvidia, which is lot maybe which can definitely affect the market, of course. And there are some big news. So of course, S&P 500 also just directly linked with. Nowadays, I should like yeah, thank you. Yes, we cannot like neglect that thing actually. So it's a part of it, okay. And today fear index is 43, which is not a good sign for the long position openers, but yeah, it is what it is. And Bitcoin dominance is still at 58%. 58.4. It's just increased 0.2% today. So yeah, it's a part of it, and it's just moving, hovering around at the same percentage since I must say, let's talk about 1 year. Yeah, it's just we are unable to find any alt season since last year. So yes, hello brother, welcome back. I just got your message. Good, doing good. Thanks. And yeah, I just got your message. I have just checked your message, and I will just definitely send your concern to the representative of the exchange. They will arrange that coupon for sure. And I will let you know. Yeah, sure. Thank you. I will let you know when I get any confirmation. I will just send you a message. Let me send them an email right now. That could. Okay, okay, okay. Let's do it now, and maybe I can forget. I will if I forget that. So that would not be good thing. Okay. So yes, I hope you guys can see the screen now. Okay. All right. So yes, market has a downtrend, downward trends uh, for short period of time, maybe for like from last few hours, and let's see if we can grab something from the market. I have just opened one position previously. So yes, let's talk about uh, uh, what's going on in the market. So Ethereum is hovering around. Ethereum was down actually 4% today, of which and to 3100 somewhere around there, and struggling to yeah. And Sol is also it's relatively better than Ethereum. It did not fall that much because of the BTC movement. It just went to 135, and XRP also like down nearly almost 6% today. So 2.112 was the lowest price. So yeah, that's it for now. And there are some rumors in the market that market volatility, of course, market volatility is also being driven by speculations, already. And so let me just tell you the major thing. Actually, there is nothing big just happening in the market today. And of course, long-term sentiments are bullish, and we are expecting that maybe it will definitely go to the bullish side. Uh, it totally depends. Like, if the weekend just closes above the 90,000, so there is a good chance for the bullish market, and we are hoping for that. Let's see what happens. Well, it's a part of it, and what can we do? We cannot do anything because we are not whales, so we cannot move the market. So we are just small, not traders. We are just small, very, very small part of this market, and so there was a liquidity hunt today. Yeah. There are a few stop losses triggered around 88,000 to 90,000 mark. So maybe later this in this quarter, the next attempt would be 100,000 mark of BTC, and there are good chances for that. So did I get any message? Yeah, no. Okay, so okay, let's go to my screen. And while I'm going to my screen, all season is coming. Uh, yeah, we are hearing these news since last year, so maybe, and we are hoping for the best. Actually, I currently open all my prefer to open all long positions on any kind of meme coin or altcoins. So yeah, I am also waiting for that season. Maybe someday it will come, but Bitcoin dominance is not like moving even a 1% since last year. So BTC is dominating the market for now, still now. Maybe yeah, it's coming. It will come up for sure. It will come. Mm, Okay, maybe 15 January will be the big day, and we are hoping for the best. Maybe we will try to get some good money. Well, we are it totally depends upon you how you make your strategy. So my strategy is, of course, I every time I discuss just to increase at least 1% of your capital every day. Try to grab that, and if you make like 1% every day and like 20 days of your month goes well, so it's good. It's good enough. And compound your capital. That's the way you can increase your wealth, of course. Yeah. I understand. I understand. Uh, but I prefer to do like short-term scalping. I try to close my trades every day, but sometimes it gets stuck. But yeah, it's a good advice. It's a good advice. We can invest in different commodities as well, in spot buying and gold and stuff. Yeah, it's a good thing. It's a good advice. I really appreciate it. Okay, so let me show you my screen now. Mm, okay, flip camera. Okay, so yes. So that's my position right now. Actually, I have just opened a position. I have opened the long position. I don't know. I have done the right decision here, but I just did it. Mm, and it's the sign is not good. The movement is not good. It's showing the bearish momentum, and my TP is just this much, which is not that big, but that's achievable actually. Um, and this is the pair actually, if you can see. I hope you can see it. Screen, okay. Mm, actually, I'm not buying anything for a long period of time. I'm just doing the scalping, and since like last 3 years, I'm doing crypto futures. I try to do that on you know every day. Open my trade every day and close my trade every day, and yeah, I take out my profit. First 2 years was were very rough, and now just started getting some good profits from the market. So yeah, that's it. That's what I'm doing is actually I started crypto from since in 2017. I had a good portfolio at that time. I bought B2 BTC at that time at the price of $8,000 and just converted all of them to like all meme and shit coins at that time. So that went in start that went well, and suddenly the market collapsed and everything went down. Yeah, we are hearing for XRP since maybe few years now. So yeah, it's a good. It's a good. Initially, when in 2017 or 18, when this project was launched, actually, I bought few XRP at the price of 60 cents, and now it's hovering around $2. Yeah, it's a good thing, but I just converted that to. I sold them in 2020, I think 2021, yeah, maybe in that period. But yeah, I'm not buying anything like for long period of time. I'm just trying to grab and increase my portfolio every day. So for now, yeah, thank you for your advice. I will just, oh, okay, it's a good thing. Okay, if it happens, well, we are hearing this since last 5 years that XRP is the next BTC maybe, or maybe Ethereum, but okay, maybe someday it will. And it's a good thing. It's a good project actually. Uh, yes, but for now, actually, I'm not doing any spot buying. Maybe in future I will do that, but not now actually. It's not the right time for buying spot. Actually, I what I think is maybe if BTC falls down to somewhere around 70, 60K, maybe, but not sure it will fall to that price in the near future. But yeah, but maybe in the far future, if it falls down, of course there will be a fall. Right now, the market is on the higher side. Mm, yeah, okay, okay. Yeah, maybe I can do that. Okay, but we'll do that in future. But for now, I'm just doing futures, and let's see if things are going right or wrong. But since last year, everything is going so far so good, and just started doing the live sessions for my community and try to guide people the right way, what I did and earn from last year. So yeah, that's it. And what's going on here? Let's check. So market momentum is just okay. Let's see the indicator. What does indicator say about this one? What was that actually? Yeah, let's do that. Okay, so weak low is not a good sign for my position actually, but it's a good sign to open the short position from here. Uh, let's do some back test. Okay, 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 okay. Yeah, that's not a good sign. Yes, yes, you're right. I have heard about these things, but maybe in future, sure, we will. I had like I don't remember now. I think I bought uh, XRP. I think with the $1,000 at that time, 2017. Yeah, when I bought the BTC, I converted that to XRP, Dash, Litecoin, and there were more projects. I had a very diverse portfolio at that time, but that all of that was in spot. So uh, everything went down, and my portfolio also went down to very like small. I invested like 16,000 dollars, and it went to like almost $6,000 at that time. And in 2020, yeah, 2020, 21, yeah, I don't, I'm not good with dates actually. So when it came back to the mark of $50,000 BTC, then I sold everything out. I need money at that time, so everything was actually I sold just above my break even, so it was good thing. I have made just very small amount of money at that time. Okay, so yes. Um, so if we see, all we need is change of character from here, and it can, if it goes right, then maybe we can get some profit. What I need to do, I just opened this position with very small amount of margin for this one specifically because it's was insane movement. And see, my other position is just stuck from few days, 2 days now, I think. Yeah, and it went wrong, and still, well, I'm hoping for the best, but I would close that position if my loss would be $600, somewhere around there, 500 to $600. But I'm hoping for the best. It's not went there. But this one is not, this one doesn't seems nice for now. Maybe. Okay, let's talk about our favorite coin, which we were trading before almost every day. So, oh, what up, comeback. I was actually planning for this one to grab that opportunity. Oh, I just missed that actually. 154 was the right. Okay. Good hopes for this one actually. 1589. Okay, it went to 160. Wow. This project is just giving me good profits. Zcash. Let's check. I have never. Its sign was ZCH, I think. What was that? Let me check. Let's check that on here. The EC. It's on the 1 hour time frame. Oh, what just happened with that? It's still showing weak low. Wow. What just happened? But if we see the 1 day time frame, let's talk about 1 day time frame. Okay, see, it's we cannot like say that it's crashed, but yeah, there's a big dip. Actually, I don't know what's just happening with that. It's just hovering around to 390. So did you open any position in Zcash? Oh, okay, 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 okay. But if you would have opened the short position, you would have make like maybe good money. But okay, if we see the 1 day, yeah. Oh, okay. But I think it's not the right time to. But let's see for the short period of time. Weak low, weak low. It's not a good sign actually to open even. Yes, yes, we can. I think there are chances to open any position, but you see the breakout structure was there multiple times in few minutes in just 1 hour on the downside. So that's not a good sign actually. What do you suggest like in future? Where does it will go? I don't feel good this about this one actually. And what's going on here? Okay. Yeah. In such a volatility, even we cannot judge the market. Same mixed feeling for this one. Yes, you can do small scalping, but let's see if we follow the RSI, yes, you can, but no, not recommended. There is a big volatility. Strong high was there actually in the 1 minute time frame. It's strong high, so surely it will go down a little bit more. Okay, let's keep it continue. Maybe if, we will see till the end of the session, like where does it goes. Let's assume like I have just opened the position from here to short side on the short and opening the short position from here. Let's assume from 390 to 393. Let's say 393. Just following by the RSA plus uh, this indicator. Okay. Uh, why should we not use our like okay, let's do that on demo trade. Actually, demo. Maybe how much should I use? Let's say that let's do that on demo. Using 50x leverage and opening short position with the market order, and because it's on the right time to open the position using let's say $200 with 50x. Okay. Sorry, sell. Okay, let's say I'm using $200 from here, using 50x. It's my like demo account. So let's see if it goes right. So I have just opened the position, and right after opening the position, I'm in negative $6. Okay, now it's okay. We are just assuming that we are just following. Let's assume we can follow this one. this indicator, and RSI. And let's set our TP to this price maybe. No, I think we should move our stop loss. Okay, that was a weak low. So I'm putting my TP to my week low actually. So okay, let's see. It shows $300, but it's 50x leverage. No, it's strongly not recommended. It's just a demo trade. Don't do that trade, please. If it goes wrong, it's totally okay. It's a demo trade. We are just opening the trade following the RSI maybe if things goes right. So yeah, let's assume it goes well. Okay. On the other hand, for now it's going wrong. Okay, let's talk about our other pair. This one. What a fall. Not a good sign for this one actually. My trade is just, yeah, it's just hovering around to break even. Maybe it will take some time. Okay, so that's my trade. And let me check another thing. Okay. Hmm. All right. Left trade. Uh, so bro, did you open any position? Zaim, bro. Sorry, Zaim. I think your name was Zaim. Okay. Hmm. All right, let's see about this one. Okay, there is a chance for this one to open the short position. Yeah, Zcash is just crashed for now. Maybe it can go up. I just open a demo on my on a one position on demo, but on the short spot only. Okay, maybe yeah. Mm, so if we see there is a weak high, there are chances for this one to go up a little bit more from here, and okay, that's a good sign, brother. Just just make some good profit every day. You see the moment, uh, especially for this coin, actually, it went down to like 54 today in evening, and you were open 50 at 57 yesterday, and it went back up again to 60, and it's just falling down to it's just hovering around in just in between that position actually in that uh, range. So yeah, this one, the coin I'm showing you right now on screen, is that the same one? Yeah, yeah. I keep opening. I always keep open. Like I don't know. Yeah, but I have made good profit in this coin. So yeah, for now it's my favorite. Mm. I trade that coin every day since last 3 4 months almost now. When it was launched, maybe like after 3 4 days, I keep started doing trading with this coin every almost every day. Yeah, yeah, that's right. But I don't for EMA I had to wait for a long period of time, and instead of that I just try to just follow the RSI and keep just trade for short period of time for this one. Most of the time, but sometimes it gets stuck, takes a little bit more time, and it gets closed every day almost. So my other trade is still stuck. The trade I just opened with the new coin, you remember that like 2 3 days back, it's still on negative almost $300. But still my benchmark is $600. So I am just hoping for that one to come to break even maybe sometime. Okay, so let me show you my previous trade, what I did with my favorite coin you talk about. So that's the amount I made yesterday. So if you remember that this trade was open and I made this profit 116 in that, and the truth, of course, it's also $43. I think that was just closed in the live session, and this one also, and truth also 64. That $3 4. I think I have made almost one two altogether since today. Yeah, I have made like almost $300, near to $300 maybe. But today I'm not in a good shape for now. Hoping for the best. See, this trade is just stuck. Well, just let's see if it goes right or wrong. Okay, that's a good thing. Just just get whatever you try, whatever you can get from the market. Just get it. Okay, okay. So yes, let's see. Uh, Okay. Okay. Hmm. Yeah, it's on my break even. It's already on the lower side of its price. I have I don't know, maybe it will go a little bit more down, but let's keep it continue till the end of the session if it goes right. It's already on the lower side of its today's mark. So yeah, we are hoping for the best. Today's high was 2183. So yeah, that's and my TP is just 2090. So that's totally achievable. You see if we do a little bit back test. So yes, that's totally achievable. Mm, okay. So what else should we trade? Okay, let's talk about this pair. The second favorite pair. Okay, let's see 1 hour time frame. Okay. Okay. 1 day. Oh, there is a very quiet and steady movement since last, I think, 10 days, more than 10 days. It's just moving very slowly, and there is not much volume in this one. And when does the volume comes into that, and it will shoot to, I don't know, we cannot judge the upside of any coin. And okay, let's grab an opportunity in this one. Let's try to grab it. Let's see the 5 minutes time frame. Okay, it went to 101 at then went back up. Yeah. Okay. So what we are going to do is I'm just going to open a position with limit order uh, from the price 0.17, not 17. I think 108 is good. Okay, let's assume we are going to open this position using just $100 for this trade and opening a long position from here 10 at the price of 108. So okay, it was just like few minutes back. Oh yeah, there is a support at this mark. Let's check. Okay, so that's the support for now. Let's check what does SMC say about this one. Okay, weak low. Weak low is that's the 1 minute time frame. We will check the 5 minute time frame as well. So on the 5 minutes time frame, of course, there is not a sign of weak low. There was a strong low at that price, and let's see. We can. Okay, yeah, 108 is a good position price, and still the weak high showing on the top of that. So it's a good sign to open the long position, but the indicator does not showing any sign to open any position, but maybe we are hoping for the best. Okay, okay. Let's see the 1 minute. Week low for on the 1 minute time frame, it's on the week low 107 at 107. Oh, okay. Let's see if it grabs my opening the long position or it can be because BTC is already on the lower, almost on the lower side of today's mark, but so there are, yeah, thank you so much for following. There are chances for this one to go up, and let's see if it can grab our position and gives us a good chance to make some money. We are hoping for the best for this one. Okay, and let's see if things goes right. Maybe okay, 20. Yes, there are chances for this one to come to that price. Truths, yes. Change of trades here. My entry price is here. See. Okay, that's not good thing. I have opened a short position of Zcash on demo account to see if my analysis was right because we have just seen a big crash. There was a one forward just marked that. I just missed that. Mm, Maybe. There are thousands of things are happening in the market every day. So Zcash just crashed, and I don't know what just happened. The developers have said something about that. So market always just shifts its momentum on the right way. So it's more of like volume based thing. It's more of like news based thing now. So if something big is just going to happen and there's a news breakout, or even most of the time, there are just rumors in the market and the market just shifts its momentum on just rumors, which is happening like multiple times. So yeah, it's a part of crypto. That's the volatility. Uh, okay. Let's talk about this one actually. I just want to see the momentum of this one. We have just opened a long position in this one. Yes. And my entry was at oh sorry, it's truth. That's a limit order. Sorry, I'm just seeing the truth. Okay, so this was the position. Okay, it's on my break even, and let's see. Uh, okay, so um, I think this could be the support for now, and it's already on the lower side of its price. So yes, there are chances for this one to maybe go if we see the 1 hour time frame. See, then the momentum has shifted from bullish to bearish for now, and if it goes wrong, so anything can be happen. Just kidding. Okay. If we follow the momentum for the long period of time, for the longer period of time, of course, the momentum has shifted to the bearish side. But we just want to grab small profit. Okay, let's say my TB was very high actually, I think, but that's very small amount of money if I make from this trade because I opened this trade with 30x margin, but using only $83. So very small amount of money I have just did to open the trade. All right. What do you think? Uh, what's your opinion? What do you think? Where will it go? Let me check on the other screen. Uh, oh, okay, 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 perfect. My wife was also doing job, so she just left her job like 2 months back, and I cooked food for her 3 years. It's and now I'm a pro chef as well. So I cook every kind of food, almost every kind of continental food. So even I cook food very in a very good way. So people love my food, whoever eats that. So yeah, okay. So yeah, things are. Okay, and I think the momentum is not in my favor for now. I think I should have to close this trade and keep it. Maybe I can, but I'm hoping for. Okay, what my strategies we already have discussed. Like we can do DCA. So let's keep it continue. Maybe it will go on the right side. Mm, uh, okay. Mm, what's going on here? I think we should keep it continue. It's only on the lower side of its price, and we have a good. Uh, okay. My other order I have just placed on truth. Uh, what just happened? It's just moving on above side. Oh, okay. I'm just hoping and waiting for this one to get my position, my limit order. But on the other hand, my other position is hovering around to my break even. Maybe. All right. So things are going good so far. What else we can do? What we can do is we can. I just don't want to open the long position from here, but it's on the good price now. This pair, but it's already on the higher side of its price, near to higher side. So I have placed the order on the mid of today's price. Maybe that's achievable for sure. But I'm not sure. If the BTC has a good moment, then everything can go along with that. So we can just wait for the right time. Don't do hurry, don't do hurry. I'm stuck in one trade from last 2 days. Uh, but okay, that's a part of it. What we are going to do is we are just hoping and waiting for the right time to open the trade. Okay, meanwhile, the trade which is already open already with this no. Oh wow, what a push. See if we see 15 minutes time frame, you guys can see it's hovering around to that mark. So there is a big resistance at 0.160161 somewhere around there. Um, so yeah, it's a good thing you can open the short position from here, but if it crosses that mark, then it can go way up, but and we would not be able to catch that price again, maybe. But what I need to do is I wanted to open the position from here actually. I was just actually away. I would not be able to grab that position. I could have set like limit order on that price, but I just missed that opportunity. Well, that's a part of it, no problem. We will catch that opportunity again for sure, maybe, and then maybe as well. So yeah, it's a part of it, and we cannot do anything about that. Later on, and I think it will not give us. I'm not in the favor of opening the short position, but I wish. Uh, if we see the RSI for 1 minute time frame, it's showing. Okay, let's see the SMC about of this one as well. It's a good indicator. I'm using this since last 2 3 years. Also not 2 3 years, from last 2 3 days. And yeah, um, let's see. It's a weak high. That means there are good chances for this one to go more up. And there are breakup structures again and again and again and again. That was a signal, but that was if we open the short position from here, you see, it would have go wrong. It just came to this mark and just went back up to this price, which is very like likely to go up. But if we see this this indication is a clear confirm indication that this is going up, and it took a little bit time to go up, but that was a clear cut confirm information confirmation to open the long position from there. So yeah, it's the clear confirmation. Let's do a little bit back test for this one as well. You see, that's the confirmation to open the short position, but it took some effort, and it it no, it's not making that much money if we would have opened long position from here, but still you are confirmed to open the short position from here. Indicators are not always 100% right. So always be careful while using the indicators. Do some back test of any kind of indicator you want to use. That's what I always suggest to people. So indicators, if you are now getting like free indicators, that's the free indicator I'm using. And if you are using the paid indicators, they also always mention that the accuracy is not always 100%. So be safe. It's a part of it. And yes, uh, moreover, okay, I am just going to check another thing on my. Hmm. Okay, so let's do the back. I have done the back test. Let's see this indicator works well on 1 minute time frame or 5 minutes time frame. So this is the 5 minutes time frame, and what we are going to do is we are just let me check. Hmm. Yeah. So if we do a back test on the 5 minutes time frame, so yeah, if we see that is the indication to open the short position, and for the longer period of time, it took like maybe an hour to give you a good profit, and then that's where you decide like how much you want to make in a trade. And from here it just gave a signal to open the long position, and it just went a little bit up and just fall down again and again and again and falling down again. There you get one more confirmation to open the short position, and it went well. And you see, that's the confirmation again to open the long position from here, and it went very well, very well. So what you can do is there is an option of trailing stop loss. So you can set your trailing stop loss. If the price goes to that specific mark, then you can just make a good money, and your stop loss will just move along with that. So that's the thing. And yes, on the other hand, let me uh okay, so that's a 1 minute time frame. So there is a weak high and it's still moving up. So I don't know, for now, maybe. Yeah, there are good chances for this one to go up for sure, because if we see that's the indicator, if we see the indicator is clearly indicating there was a weak high at this mark. And what we are, but if we see the RSI, let's talk about RSI on the 5 minutes time frame. So on the 5 minutes time frame, there are chances for RSI is on like 63, so 68, 670. So that's the indication to open the short position. So this is where you decide now. I think that's not a good thing to open the short position, because if we see the trend, so the trend is bullish and we are just hoping for the best actually right now. So that's what we have to just go through. And yes, uh, that's the part of it. What else? Let's talk about our previous trade and it if it goes, but I just missed that opportunity. And the other trades is also, for now it's not going right. That's what I have not good hope for this one. I You see, uh it's already on the lower side of its price, but if a big, that's the resistance. Let me draw the resistance for you guys. mm, okay, so that's the resistance for now. If it crosses that resistance, then I'm stuck in this trade, but we are hoping for the best, because it's already on the lower side of its price, but and the momentum for the long period of time it's shifted from bullish to bearish. So yeah, there are good chances for this one to come down maybe a little bit more. And this one is going up, up and up again. And see, yeah, that's the change of character came again to this mark. So it's indicating to open the long position. It can come down to some position, but not for surely. It will take a pump from here. That's the indication. It should not be 100% right, but that's a good sign. We just missed that position actually. We could have made like maybe $500 in this trade, but no worries. Okay, so guys, there is a link in description in bio. You guys can click on that link and join my community, as well as on this exchange, the exchange I'm using. You can click on the link using my referral. You will be awarded free 50 USDT as a bonus amount. So that's you can utilize to. You don't need to add your money. You can use your bonus amount to open one trade in crypto futures, and you can make money on top of that, which you can withdraw, and that deposit. Uh, Sorry, guys. Actually, I am just getting a notification from TikTok that there is no movement. So TikTok was unable to get any movement from my screen. So let me move it a little bit. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much for coming online. Kai, Key. Okay, so yes, that's what I'm talking about. I have just drawn the support for now, and it's just hovering around to support right now. And if it goes to, if it crosses that support, then it's for sure it's falling down. And I'm not in the favor of opening the short position in such kind of coins, which are already on the lower side of their prices. So it's just happening because the BTC has just shown the downward trends a little bit, and so that's why, that's the reason behind that. And yes, we have just, let me set up screen. Okay, so guys, let me uh, say that again, that crypto market is a very volatile market. Be safe. It's just uh, if you are new to crypto, just try to do on demo accounts. And if you want to trade, try to use small leverages from the market, as well as do your own research. Don't follow my trades. Um just do your own research. Try to grab very small amount of profit from the market and just stay away from the try to stay away from the market. If you try to keep yourself in the market maybe for the longer period of time, that's the way market will take you down for sure. So that's what happens with me sometimes if I get stuck in some trades. So it takes my days of profit in one trade. And set your stop loss, set your losses and profits. So whatever you want to make and whatever you can afford to lose. So that's the way. Walaikum salam, Irfan brother. Thank you so much for your for being online with us. Thank you. Okay, so yes, what's going on here is I think there are chances for this one to go down. So what we can do is we can just open. Let me check on the indicator as well. What does indicators tells us? Oh, see, that's what I was just talking about. Let me check. Set it to 1 minute time frame. See, that's the breakout. It's the weak high. That means there are good chances for this one to go up a little bit. But I'm not going to open the long position from this price at least. I just missed that price actually. I had an order at 158, but no, it was on actually. Uh, yes, yes, yes. This one on that coin, and the movement is very steady, very slow movement. So maybe it will take more time. I wish I can open the short position of this coin, but let me check. Okay, 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 okay. I want to grab this coin. Actually, did I open any position? Open order. Let me check. Open it. No, that's the TP. And okay, I'm just going to set the open order 158. Let me do some backtest, a little bit backtest. Okay, not now, maybe. Okay, so what do you suggest, guys? Should I open the short position from here? I'm not in the favor of opening the short position at this mark, but there are good chances. Okay, let's see about this one. Oh yeah, often Zcash is not showing a good sign. That's the demo account. Okay, we are okay with that. Let's close this trade. That's the demo account. We have just opened the position. Okay, okay, okay. It's going up, 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 and maybe it will go a little bit more up. Then it will fall down to at least 158. That's the mark. Let me set up the limit order using, oh no, sorry, I'm not doing it on. Okay, I'm going to open a setup for a limit order. 158 is the good price. I can just set because there's a support at that mark. So how much amount I can use to open? I just want to open it with $300 using 20x leverage. Don't use 20x leverage. It's very this one, if you're talking about this one, this broker is already linked with, by default linked with TradingView. So that's the beauty of this one actually. Uh, this Albank exchange. But you can connect your brokers direct with TradingView as well. So this is already giving you a good like uh, good control on that. So yeah, bro. Actually, I just wanted to open the short position from here, but I'm not sure. I'm always confused to open short positions. I'm very like very what should I say? There are that's a good sign. But if you see this indicator, the SMC says like there is a weak high. So weak high and the RSI was in favor, but this indicator is not in favor. So if we merge that thing, so yeah, opening the short position was a good option, but getting some good confirmations. Without confirmation, it's like taking the risk. So yeah, more risk, more reward. But if you can take the risk, then yes, go ahead. I'm not going to open short position. It will fall down. Even I have set the limit order at 158, but and I have a good hope for that one. Maybe it will come to that mark. For sure, it can take some time. I'm not getting good positions today. I have just missed like this position from here. I was just trying to grab this one from here. Even I was expecting that this will come to at least 155 and it went to 154. I had to set, I just missed to set like limit order at that mark. I was not on system and not using my phone. So I was away actually. So, well, I missed that. I was, because it's my baby coin. So I know it very well. So, yeah, that's it. That's what can we do? We just missed that opportunity. No worries. We will grab it for sure. So let's see. See if if we see on this indicator, it's still showing weak high, and there was a strong low actually at this. See, strong low. So there was a good support at this price. So it did not went down again, and yeah, so that's the part of it. And what we can do is we can wait. Uh, so quantum D actually, can you write me? It's like abbreviation. So I will check like bro, you should also you can also use few indicators. This one was already suggested one of our viewer. He just suggested me this indicator, and I have just back tested it and just studied this one. It's showing like good results for now, but I always not rely on one indicator. I always just check RSI and ABTS. Okay, let me check, brother. If I would be able to help you in this. ABTS. This is it. Uh, okay, so that's the stock actually. QBTS. Yes. Okay, so it's a stock. Okay. Yes, yes. Uh, I think one of our friend just suggested me. Uh, Bro, I don't have a good idea about stocks because stock markets moves along. There are a lot of factors. I am not doing stocks, but let me check if this indicator gives us a good opportunity. Okay, I don't know from where did you get stuck or since how long you are stuck in this one. That's the day time frame. That's the 1 day time frame. Did you open like long position or short position? And from where did you open its position? Let's talk about this indicator. Short from where? Like from which price? At what price did you open short? We can discuss about like I'm not good with stocks. I don't have a good experience. I have not even a single like I started crypto and doing crypto and just once gold. I open on 33. You open the short position on 33 and it's right now it's on like 30. So you would be in profit for sure. No, you're not in profit. I don't understand actually. You open the short position from $33. But it's on right now it's on 30. Like I don't understand. Like you open the long position, you might have opened the long position. So you buy or you sell that position actually. I think you have bought that. Yeah, yeah, that's right, that's right. Everything is different, so they have different like algorithms and I must say factors of moving that. Oh, okay, okay, okay. So you bought at like 33, $33. So it went to, if we see this candle, so it was just near to 32.33, and you have bought that one. Well, that's not my financial advice, but it will go. Maybe it will take some time. You see, always do some back test. Uh, $33 long time ago. How long time ago? Like, um, let me check 1 month or as well. So it hit that price like 4 months back, I think. And let's talk about 1 day time frame. So that's the 1 day time frame. And if we see, let me just, brother, actually I suggest you to just keep it. It's showing like good momentum on the upside. So there are good chances for this one to go up, I think. and that's the 1 day time frame. There's a weak high, so weak high and a strong low. Of course, it's if we follow the indicator, so there are good chances for that to go up for sure. You see, the momentum is also shifting. Like it went up to this price 40 46, and you might have bought somewhere around there, and it just fall down, and it went back up. So surely it will go up. But if nothing big happens in the market, if anything big even happened in the market, even I have seen, like I have noticed down a few things. Like there are wars going on in the world, like mm, mm, 4 5 wars at a time in the different part of the world, and it's still not affecting the market, which is like very very different. Like very like what there are no words to say for that. We cannot judge like about that, but you know, it's brother. This is the trading view. If you see, that's the trading view. You can just log on to that. It's a free application. It's a free platform. You can just log on to that and just check your uh, coin or stocks or gold, whatever you are holding that. Just there are options of setting up indicators. Just click on indicator, just set up few indicators, just test few indicators. This is the indicator one of our uh, viewers just suggested me. You just check that indicator. So I just checked that indicator, and it's going good so far, but not always 100%. uh, so these are the things which are, I think, you can easily learn from that thing. Can you? Okay. Uh, s- Sorry, 34Q0. I don't understand what you mean. It's also stock. So other brother, you can just follow few of the, the people like me. If I'm just I'm not a good financial advisor. I'm not an expert, but at least you should have a better understanding of the platforms. So how to use it, how to operate it. So first of all, okay, okay, brother, let me check if it went. You're talking about. Yeah, sure. Just one more thing I should have to mention you here. Always just start doing with demo accounts. So almost every platform is giving demo trade demo accounts. So you can use actually fake money. That's a fake money. So you can use the fake money, and that of course you cannot withdraw. So that's if you try to increase that, and if you get a good opportunity to understand the market, then sure you can start doing trading. But I'm doing crypto futures mostly. So okay, so you were talking about 34Q0. I don't know what is that. Stocks. So here it is. Actually, I am planning to start a video series to upload on TikTok and YouTube. Uh, Start from scratch, the understanding of the platform, how to log on to, how to register your account on exchange, and where to click, and what tab to click, and what tab what does works, and what tab does what. So I'm just planning to do that. It will take maybe a little bit time, but I'm curious to do that. I just want people to. One of my friend even just texted me a few days back. So you are doing trading and you are making money, and why you're not teaching me? So I just asked him, okay, just start doing crypto futures and just register account. And he does not know about how to register even account. So that's the point I have just okay thought. Okay, let's start making from a few videos from the scratch so everybody can have a better understanding. Okay, so brother, it's already showing the week high. It's already moving up. If we see it's a 1 day time frame. Uh, it's sorry, I just wanted to should I sell it or keep it? You are still in profit, and I must say, uh, if you see these wicks are indication that there is a support at that mark. So they are just trying to push the price up. But these big empty wicks are indication that there are some resistance level at that point. So people have just set up some orders over there. So they are just trying to sell at this prices. So they are just not letting the price go up. So here's the fight of buyers and sellers. So whoever wins takes the market. If the sellers are winner, so of course the price is going down. But if we follow the indicator, so you have bought already on the, I must say, on the higher side of its price. So yeah, if you're in profit, but it must be giving you very small amount of profit. Like in crypto futures, you can just make that profit just in one trade as well, just in few minutes maybe, or yeah, and it can go away as well. So always be safe. Crypto futures is very like uh, somebody just wrote a wrong message. Yes, brother, that's fun, brother. I always mention uh, people like just please, it's my request. Consider it, it's a request. Please start doing with demo accounts. So that's the way. First learn first. At least people don't know like how to click and where to click, and they have money. Okay, they have very small amount of money, and they just want to make money from that money, and they are losing it. Even I did that like 3 years back, and I was losing a good amount of money. So I was in very bad shape. I have been in bad shape for 2 years. Then I made a strategy. Okay, no, that's not the right way to make money. We should have to make some plan, and then things are going right now. And the things are going on the right direction. And just trying to make small amount of money every day, not the big money, not double my capital every day. Uh, yeah. Uh, I understand companies for stocks. Uh, I think if you want to buy, if if you are in stocks, that's what I have like seen a lot of people doing stocks. So stocks should be like you should not trade them. You should like keep it for the longer period of time. And if you can get um, the profit and dividends on that. So it's a good thing. Just try to grab dividends and increase your like. But that's a long game actually. And crypto futures is a short game. You can make money in short period of time. But if you are talking about the stocks and the dividends, there are a few companies they're offering dividends. So yeah, you can enjoy the profit on top of your like shares as well. So yeah. Yep, Irfan brother, that's right. I always mention, even I have mentioned in my live stream as well that always invest the money you can afford to lose. That's the money you cannot like think about. Okay, I have lost some money. That's fine. So you should always invest that money. Okay, but I think money is money. Nobody wants to lose it. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. I have started crypto since 2017. And I was not losing. Actually, I bought in a few. I have told like multiple times in my sessions that I bought two BTC at the price of $8,000 at the price of $8,000 back in 2017, and then and converted all of my BTCs to like all small coins. Like I have converted that to uh, Litecoin, Dashcoin, Ethereum. Ethereum was my good. Actually, I had two Ethereum at that time, and XRP, and there were a lot of more. Like I had like portfolio of maybe 15, 20 coins, multiple coins, and if I would not have sell them. in 2020, 2021, I could have $1 million today. But actually, I sold, I converted them, and the market fall down. My $16,000 investment came to somewhere around $6,000 for 2 3 years. But it was in spot, so I was not losing it until unless I am not selling it. So I was not selling it and just kept that amount. And uh, thank you so much for your love and roses as well. So okay, okay, yeah, 4,000. It's still good money. It's big money. We are just try to make some money. I was losing the same amount of money when I started crypto back in 2023, 4, 5, 2022. Sorry, yeah. That's great. That's a great. So, what I'm telling you is actually I started 2022 January, February, somewhere around there. I'm not good with dates actually and with names as well. So I started that and losing money almost every day. So added money. Okay, let's add some money. Let's add some $1. Let's add $100. Let's add $500. And okay, wow. So you must be very good and experienced trader now. So so you have a very good experience. So I started in 2017. So what I was telling you is I was losing money every day. So because I was in hurry to make money. So then I stopped myself. Okay. Yeah, I always my friends, my community says me, oh, okay, you are pro trader now. I always says no, 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 bro, I'm not even a trader. I'm not even a trader. I'm just trying to make my day better. So what I did is actually then I made a strategy. Okay, let's do this way. So open the position with 1% of my capital and kept 1% for DCA. And if it goes wrong, close my position, accept my loss, and just try to make 1% every day of my capital. So that's the way I started increasing my capital since it's been now more than 1 year, and I started with $100, and I recovered all of my losses with that. Moreover, now I'm in a very good profit with just following that strategy. I have been in loss. I have closed very few trades in loss. So yeah, that's a part of it. Yeah, position trading is also a good thing actually. I have never did that, but I have a very few understanding of that. But majorly I'm doing few crypto futures, so it's like it was very stressful 2 years back, but first 2 years, but since one last 1 year, I'm in a very calm. I'm doing it very like in a cool way. So yeah, good luck to you too, brother. Or just okay, okay. I will have a look on that. Actually, I have never studied that much. Actually, I have seen people doing that, but I will have a look for sure. Or maybe on weekends. Actually, I'm not doing trading on weekends as well. So I just keep myself away from the market. Let's spend some time with my family, and that's what I do actually. Okay, so if we see this one, yeah, that's what I was just talking about. The week high was there, and it went to, you see, it went to week high again. Where is it? Okay, it's 1 day, sorry. That's 1 minute. So on what platform, or you are doing that on like stocks, or what do you do actually? So guys, that's the potential, that's the way actually. Now you see. So now there is a support. There is a resistance at this price. It's just moving sideways from here. Uh, so oh, okay, okay. So you're doing forex with positional and swing trading. Okay, okay. Good. So do you trade gold as well or not? I started gold like 3 weeks back almost now. And I lost like just $500 and just I just stayed away from that. I just thought, okay, that's not for me, maybe. Oh, okay, okay, okay. Gold was very unpredictable last year. What's just happening with gold, actually, I was not hoping. I got liquidated 2 times, but very small amount of money. I just was trying to understand the MetaTrader and MT4, MT5. So yeah. Oh, that's bad. Gold was like very unpredictable. Gold, silver, like all the metals went like all time high. When last month they went all before last month they went all time high. I just opened the short positions from there, and I made very few dollars, like maybe $200, and my portfolio was almost $500. Then it went back up again a little bit. Then I opened short position again, and it made another all time high, and my portfolio got liquidated on MT5. So 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 I was not trading that actually anymore. But yeah, for investment purpose, that's a good thing. That's a good commodity. That's a good metal to for the long. Since our childhood, we are always like listening. Okay, gold is just going up. Okay, it will fall down someday. It will fall down someday. And now I'm just about to reach like mm, 40 years after 2 years. So yeah, still it's going up and up and up, and we are not seeing any downway. But what I discuss with my friends, when we will buy it, it will fall down. So so we are not buying gold for now. Like one of my friend has had bought like a physical, like one brick of big brick of silver actually. So they have a brick of silver. So they bought at the good price, and they are in good profit, which is not much big, but okay, it's a good thing. Okay, so what is it? See, that's the word. That's what I'm talking. It's a sign. The sign is in our favor for now, but let's see if things goes right. Mm, mm, okay, okay. I'm not getting any good position today. This one also went wrong. See the moment, it's following the momentum. See, the momentum is not picking up for now. Let me check on. Okay, okay. Yeah, Forex is good actually. Uh, I think nowadays there's a thing, what we call that. I don't remember now. That's for Forex things, and you just buy it and oh, sorry, I just forget. Uh, Let me just check. Yes. What we are going to do is. Hmm. Oh, okay. So you made something or you lost something on or 10th of October? You should have opened the long positions from there on any coin. But 10th October was actually very unpredictable. Even pro traders would not get that actually. 10th of October was the black day of the crypto history, I must say. Oh, good, good. I was lucky on 10th of October. I just had opened one position in this coin actually. Not this one, sorry. Uh, this coin. So I opened the long position and at the price of I don't remember exactly what was that price, but there was no liquidity showing on my position because I had a big portfolio and open position with just very small amount of money. So it went down almost half of my portfolio at that time, and I was sleeping at that time. Actually, that was the not the right time to wake up in the country I am right now. So wow, that's great. You that means you have a very good understanding of the charts actually. I'm still not good in charts. I could not able to understand like movements sometimes. Oh yeah, but 10th of October was the black day of the history of the I must say in the history of crypto and everything. Yeah. So there are a lot of people lost. I think $20 billion got liquidated in the market. There was a biggest crash I have seen. Well, that's a part of, you know, so, so at that time, well, what I'm telling you is there was no liquidity and the price. My portfolio came to almost not half, but more, just a little bit more down. So then I wake up and just saw I was in a good profit actually, and yeah, thank you so much for your gifts. So I just wake up and saw that I was in good profit and just saw and just did a little bit backtest and I just saw news and there were a lot of messages coming to my groups. I said, okay, what's just happened? So just waking up and see that I was in profit and just close the trade and made a good profit in that. The price went right up to like I set up my TP to whenever my trade got stuck, sometimes I prefer to set up my TP and on the higher side if one big pump comes up and it can give you good money. So I made a very good money in that trade actually. People lost a lot and I luckily got lucky at that day. So yeah, I made good money. I don't know what just happened. Then there were a lot of things people were talking about. Okay, this is the controlled by maybe few of the people, and well, that was the sign of this actually. We could not have control on that. Uh, hmm, Yeah, that's right. That's right. Yeah, hello. Hello, brother. Yeah. Sorry, I don't understand. Your question is like open-ended question. How do you know how trade this in UK? Like you can download application and start doing trading with that. If there is no limitation. I have heard that there is a big tax on crypto and uh, yeah, these assets, digital assets. You can check it by in your local community. I'm not in UK actually, so I don't have a better idea. Maybe we can ask someone if somebody's from UK watching my live session. So, bro, actually, it shows that error that this your region is not that, but you can just cross that error. I have talked with them that we are just getting this notification, but they said, okay, we are just trying to fix that. Uh, no, it's not. I don't think so. It was not actually, but maybe. I can check that. Uh, okay, I will talk with the representative of their. Uh, you're talking about this one. For example, this one. This is so it's just a web page, so you can just use your system to just operate. I think it should work there. And do you use Binance? Have you used Binance? It's working worldwide, I think. But I'm trading on this application, Lbank. It's working fine, I think. I have just heard from you actually. None of my mm, um okay, if it's showing for verification, mm, I don't know. It bro, it depends upon you. If you want to do that, just do it. It's totally fine. Like what can they they do with our data. I have I have done almost KYCs on every platform. Well, nothing happened yet. Maybe something. So we are still in our open space every day. So okay, Binance or extend space forex. Um. Oh, okay. You can try this application. You try to download this app. Actually, one of my friend, he is in UK, and I will ask him. Uh, okay, let me ask him right now. Let me send him a message on the group. So let me check if he responds. Hmm. Okay, I have just sent him a message. Maybe if he replies, so I will just let you know about that. If you download this application, Lbank application, so just try to log on to that. If it's not working, if it's showing some error, you can just let me know. So I will just check if how can we resolve your issue. Um, but I think crypto is legal in US, UK. So Mm, oh, okay. Okay. Um, uh, well, uh, uh, Aditya, bro, how are you doing? Good. Okay, bro, they were talking about like Albank is working in UK or not. So they are just getting some. So if you have any idea, okay. I have asked my one of my friends, so maybe if he responds to me, so I will just let you know about that. Okay, so uh, yeah, yeah, that's right, bro. Okay, I will let you know about that. So, okay. In Pakistan, there are a lot of things to, we can do anything. Yeah. Okay, so yes, so we are using Albic. So there is also a competition of trading I have just got. Mm. Uh, no, I have AI trade. Like, is there an application? So, if one brother, if you are using Park ID for verification of KYC, if it works that way, maybe that's the way you can do that. But I think it. Oh, okay. Uh, okay, one thing you can do if you can download the app and try to do verification if you have ID of any other country. Like, I don't think you have, but it's you can do that with the I think ChatGPT and Gemini as well. So yeah, they can do analysis as there as well. So yeah, hello. Here it's good evening actually. Okay, yeah, maybe. Yeah, that's right. Well, let's try to resolve the issues people are just facing. Okay, okay. Well, nowadays everybody is just after making money, so everybody tries to grab the opportunity, but there are multiple restrictions all over the world, so what can we do? Uh, mm, Okay, so what else? I think I'm not going to make some profit today. My trades are stuck. My one of my trade is minus 14, 13, $14, and the other one is not giving me a chance to open any position. So maybe it's not a good day for me. I just missed this opportunity. I was just okay. No. What is it going on with this one actually? Uh, BTC, brother, BTC is just showing like, if you see, there was a downward trend. If this weekend ends above 90,000, so there are good chances for BTC to go up to maybe 97, 98K or somewhere around there. And if it's coming down, then the first support should be around like 86, 500, somewhere around there. But no, but I'm not doing it because it's just about to end this week, just another day. So maybe BTC is like not showing the good sign. Let's talk about this indicator, and if it shows a good something about BTC. Mm, BTC USDT. I'm just talking about this. Uh, okay, so let's see. Sorry, this is BTC, BTC, BTC. So just wait. So Irfan brother, from where do you want to short BTC? I think yeah, that's what we are hoping. At least 100K is the next jump, but when it will come, nobody can tell that. What is that BTC? Uh, wow. You should have get good profit. Uh, you might have made some. Okay. Let's talk about maybe for 1 day time frame. That's the way we can have a better understanding. But mm, okay, 81. So yes, if we see there is a strong low at that price at 1 day time frame is, oh, sorry. Let's see on 1 hour time frame. Let the indicator work for us. Oh, it's not showing anything. Uh, you see, it's showing the weak high and a strong low. So if we follow this indicator, according to this indicator, there's a good chance for this one to get a good pump back at least for now. But where does it goes? And the next mark oh, uh, for now is 94,000 mark, and if it crosses that, resistance level, then 98, 97, 98, somewhere around between that, and up to 100,000. And on the downside, 88,000 is the support, and 87,000 should be the support somewhere around there. And 94, 5, yeah, 94,000 is the support, resistance now. Yeah, if 88, if it misses the 88, then 85, 84, 80, uh, for, yeah, 87, yeah, somewhere around 88 is the first support. Let's see, 88. 87, 500, somewhere around between that. 88, 87 in between that. But I think we should wait for this weekend, after this week, on Monday when the market opens. So we will check. Well, crypto works 24 by 7, but now they are just moving along S&P 500. So previously it was not doing that, and now what can we do? So what do you suggest? Like we should open the long or short after the week? And what's your strategy? What do you think? Okay. What about this one? This is just